Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming a few essentials: a Google account, a payment method, and your phone for verification. Once ready, go to Cloud. Google.com and click Get Started for the free trial. Sign in with the Google account you want to use and accept the terms. This enables the free trial credits. Make sure the payment method is entered correctly. This authorizes verification charges that are refunded. After this initial sign-in, you'll be guided into billing and account setup. Next, you set up billing and a project. Create or select a billing account and confirm address and currency, because costs tie to that profile. Then create a project, pick a descriptive name, and note the project ID as other tools reference it. Once the project exists, enable the APIs you need and assign yourself a role like owner or editor so you have permissions. Make sure to pick a default region for resources, since location affects pricing and latency. Finally, enable billing on the project and spin up a small resource, such as a test VM or cloud function, to confirm everything works. Once running, set a budget and alerts to prevent surprises and adjust IAM or quotas as needed. If something goes wrong, first verify payment details and phone verification, then clear your browser cache and retry sign-in. If issues persist, recheck project permissions and contact Google Cloud Support with your billing account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.